Hello and welcome to my handcrafted corner. Today we are going to make this beautiful crochet flower pattern. It's mainly made with the puff stitch. This is how it looks on the back. And it's made with 4 colors. Let's get started. For this project we are going to use a 3.5 mm hook. And we will start with a magic ring like this. Chain 1 and make 1 single crochet. Next, we will make 7 more single crochets. So at the end of this first round, we have a total of 8 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one, 8. We will now close the ring and join the work by slip stitching into the first stitch here. And we will do this from the back of the work. And slip stitch, chain 1, and we can cut the yarn and join the next color. Of course, you can continue to work in the same color if you want. With the new color, I will make a slip knot first. And we will work in this first stitch. We should have now 8 stitches. And we will work in each of these 8 stitches on this round. And we will start with 1 double crochet first. So we yarn over, go into this first stitch and make 1 double crochet. And in the same stitch we will make 4 more double crochets, so we have a total of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one, 5. At this point we will go with the hook in this first loop or stitch, the one corresponding with the first double crochet that we have made on this round, and we will slip stitch. And here we have our first popcorn stitch done. Then we will chain 2, and this will be our repeat for this round. So in each of these stitches we will make these 2 steps We will make 5 double crochets, then bring them together, join them together with the slip stitch, and continue with chain 2. Let's do this one more time. So make sure to pick the next stitch to go into the next stitch is somehow hidden here under the puff stitch that we have just made, and we go into this one and make 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here we will go into this first stitch and slip stitch, and again chain 2, 1, 2, and go into the next stitch and do the exact same thing. Repeat these steps, and by the end of this round we should have 8 puff stitches. I have completed my last puff stitch, so I have 8 petals now on the flower, and I will chain 2, 1, 2, and join the work from the back. So we will search for this first stitch is the one from the chain 2 between these two puff stitches, and we will slip stitch. Chain 1, and we can cut the yarn at this point and join the next one, or continue with this one if this is what you want to do. With my next color, again I will make a slip knot, and from now on this puff stitch will be our main stitch, and this repeat the puff stitch and chain 2 as well will be our repeat for the second round. For this round we will make an increase, so which means that in each of these spaces, chain 2 spaces, we will make 2 puff stitches, and we will work them in the same way, each of them being separated by 2 chains. Of course, we can start in any of these chain 2 spaces across the round. So I will start here where I have finished my work, my last round, and we will start in the same way with a double crochet first. So yarn over, go into this chain 2 space and make 1 double crochet, and here we will make 4 more, so we have a total of 5 in order to make the first puff stitch for this round. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We will slip stitch now to join the stitches together, and here we have our first puff stitch, chain 2, and again we will make in the same space a second puff stitch in the exact same way. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will bring these stitches together with a slip stitch, chain 2, and our work is done in this first chain 2 space. We will go into the next one and do the exact same thing, and we will do this repeat for all these spaces between these puff stitches. I am now at the end of this round. I have to chain 2 and join the work to this first stitch from the back, with the slip stitch. Chain 1, and we can cut the yarn and join the next one. At this point we should have 16 petals, since this was an increased round and we have doubled the number of the petals. And we will continue our last round with this other color, and we will work in any of these chain 2 spaces. And we will start by making one single crochet. So first make a slip knot and go into one of these chain 2 spaces and make one single crochet. Then chain 1 and continue to work in the same space 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And we will work a second single crochet in the same space. So this will be our repeat for this round, and we will do these exact steps into each of these chain 2 spaces across the round. So let's do this one more time. Into the next chain 2 space we will make one single crochet, chain 1, and then make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3, and end with one single crochet in the same space. And continue in the same way. I have made here my last repeat, so I have 16 in total, and we will join the work now in the same way from the back of this first stitch. Chain 1, and we can cut the yarn, and our project is done. This is how it looks on the back. Happy crocheting!